Today I'm going to tell you how to enable clipboard history in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to enable your clipboard history, so let's see how you can do that. So you have two simple ways. The very first way, you just have to press Windows plus V to access your clipboard. Here you might get your clipboard. You can click on this turn on to enable your clipboard. Or the second way, you just have to simply go to settings app here. Now once you are in settings, go to system, just scroll down, go to clipboard. Here you must see clipboard, click on it, and here you must see clipboard history. Enable this from here. Now once you have enabled, now you can copy almost multiple things here. Just press Windows plus V to access your clipboard. Now once you are in your clipboard, you can see your clipboard history or your copy paste history here. So you can easily enable your clipboard settings in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.